Hey guys, welcome back to B&C RC. Early AM RC edition. You might hear the roosters going fucking crazy outside because it is, I don't know, I think it's like quarter after 7. I hope it's like quarter after 7 in the morning. 19 after. Doing this before work in the morning because I don't have any other time. I got a cruise in I have to run tonight. And tomorrow night, weather permitting, I'm supposed to take the Turd Buick to the drag strip for test and tune and have some fun with my local drag strip that just reopened after 8 years of hiatus. Pretty excited about that. But in the meantime, I'm pretty excited about this. But you may or may not share my enthusiasm. Another Chinese car, not a super cheap car. The HNR Panther. The only way I could get this car is through Banggood. Had to wait a couple weeks for the shipping direct from China. The box is a little bit beat up. It doesn't look like it was in the demo derby, but it looks like they might have played football with it a little. I've already opened the box because I wanted to see that they sent me the right color. And I took a peek at the car. I did not take it all the way out of the box. I just took a peek for my own satisfaction when I got home from work late last night. I waited on this bastard for probably 3 weeks since I ordered it. But the Chinese shipping is a little slower than it has been because of whatever reason. Mostly Uncle Joe. Blame everything on Uncle Joe. We got a manual. I see sway bars. Shock thingies. Don't know if I'll do a full review on this. There's a few out there. Tomley RC did a pretty good coverage of either this one or the FST Stinger, which is exactly the same car, same color, same everything. Derby City, I think, is the name of it. RC did a pretty good overall review on it. He goes over the details better than I do. Looks like complete build instructions. Yep, everything's in there. Front and rear sway bars with nice metallic red mounts, links, and a couple of shock spacers. I thought this car came with a battery, but I don't think this one does. I think the FST Stinger comes with a battery included. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. The transmitter is a Dumbo RC, which I have never tried. I have no experience with. I've heard good things. They say the range is fantastic on them. And it has an adjustable channel, whatever channel it is, for the gyro that is included with this car. Which, from everything I've seen, I guess the gyro comes programmed backwards and you have to reverse it, which is pretty easy. Oh, there's the power button. There's no batteries. They don't include any batteries for it. It does take 4 AA's. Pretty standard stuff. Not a bad looking radio. I would rather have some foam on the wheel instead of the plastic, but maybe just a touch bulky. I don't know. I think it'll be fine. Comes with an extra set of drifty tires to put on it. Alright, let's get the car out here and take a look at it. I've already seen the color of it, but I haven't taken it all the way out and really looked it over yet. Pretty sure I'm well aware of what it is. I'm pretty convinced this is 100% identical to the HSP NSX accurate thingy that I got a couple weeks back. Maybe 3 weeks ago. Look at that. I don't love the wheels that are on it, but can live with them. I have a whole bunch of wheels I can swap to anyway. I just got picked up a deal with some associated TC3 old stuff. A lot of it. My on-road supply of parts is incredible now, probably. Oh. Let's get the cardboard out of the way. Looks like you got to get the body off in order to get them zip ties out. The body is not licensed, but it's very obvious what it is intended to resemble. I'm pretty sure if they weren't building this in China, they'd probably get in trouble for building this likeness of a Hello Kitty American muscle car. Boy, it fucking looks good. Every video I've seen of people running these cars, they've tried it on 3S trying to get to 56 mile an hour rated speed. And they've all said that the car is capable of it, but the tires are blowing apart and the bodies are getting destroyed as these things flip down the blacktop at 50 miles an hour trying to reach the magical 56 number. I don't want to do that with this car. Oh, shit. It has 4 body posts and Velcro to keep it secured. That is pretty well sealed up. It has a very intricate LED light source in there. It's got turn signals and driving lights and headlights, tail lights. And it's got a crazy light display with these tail lights when I turn it on. I'll record that with my phone or something and throw a separate little video in there. And this definitely is the same as the HSP car, but it has a Hobbywing 3652 size, 3300 kV motor, and a 60 amp speed control that is 3S capable right out of the box. This car does not come with a battery. I have to put my own in there. I'll probably try it on 3S once, but I don't want to destroy this body because it is probably the prettiest car I've ever bought. Which I do it look good, but man, in person, it is something else. You got to be smarter than a body push to put the fucker back on there, though. Okay. Oh, you fucker. Come on. Get on there, you son of a bitch. Alright, I don't have the rear post on there all the way, but there you have it. Yeah. FNR, I think that was the brand. HNR? HNR Panther. I don't remember the name of it. It's written all over the fucking thing. Even the emblem is copyright infringement on what it's meant to look like. Look at that front end. That is a beautiful fucking car. What a nice job. It wouldn't hurt my feelings if Red Cat went back to their old ways of rebranding the HSP stuff and put their name on this car. I think it would be a good seller. Of course, Red Cat couldn't get away with selling it because of it being such an exact copy of the Heck Kitty American muscle car. I won't mention what it's supposed to look like because anyone with a half a brain knows what that looks like because it looks exactly like it. That's it. That is the HNR Panther from Banggood. You can't really get it any other way in this country. You gotta wait for that international shipping. I'm out for now, but I'll be right back because I got another unboxing I've been waiting for.